Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I took this plastic frame from Dollar Tree. I removed the inserts, and on the cardboard part that comes on the inside, I painted that with Barcelona beige chalk paint. I also went ahead and painted the frame with the same color, and everything got 2 coats. And then took this bunny cutout that I got from Dollar Tree as well and painted that with French linen chalk paint. And then I took a baby wipe and put some of the French linen on that as well and just rubbed that along the outside of the frame just to get that textured look to pop out a little more. And then on the bunny, I took some white acrylic paint and a fan brush and kind of just distressed all around the edges of that. And then on the center part of the frame that I had painted, I added a generous layer of Mod Podge to that. And then I had taken this doily that I got from Dollar Tree and I had coffee stained it. And I placed that down right on top of the Mod Podge. And then used my heating tool to dry it to make sure it was nice and attached. And then I went around and cut off the excess. And then placed it back inside the frame. And then the backing part of the frame, I added that in. And then I took this little flower that I got from Dollar Tree, which I switched out the center of it. It was a little pearl. So I just changed it with another piece from another flower. Added that to the bunny with some hot glue, and then hot glued the bunny right on top of that doily. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.